Hey guys, here's how to make your sweet, tasty chicken stew. This recipe will make you love chicken tomato stew. My name is Onyinye. You're welcome to my channel. So for this recipe, we have our chicken, then we've got some onions, some garlic cloves, and some ginger. These are our star ingredients and they'll take our stew to the next level. And then we have our tomato mixture, which is a combination of some fresh tomatoes, some tatashi, and some scotch bonnet peppers, which I blended together and boiled down to reduce the excess water. And then we have our tomato paste. This is totally optional as you can make your stew without the tomato paste. Now before we start cooking, we have to prep our ingredients. Slice up your onions, then blend or pound the ginger and garlic into paste. Once you're done prepping the ingredients, we'll start by cooking the chicken. Turn on your stove, put your chicken into a clean pot, add some salt, some seasoning cubes, half of the onions you sliced up earlier, and then some of the ginger and garlic paste. Now give it a good mix. Do not add water at this point. Allow the chicken to cook in its own juice for about 3 to 5 minutes. Remember to cook on low heat so it doesn't burn. After about 3 to 5 minutes, this is what your chicken should look like. Now it's time to add some water to the chicken. Do not add too much water, just enough to cook the chicken thoroughly. Now that our chicken has been properly cooked, let's move to the next step, which is to fry the chicken. I like to fry my chicken before adding it into my stew because I just love it that way. You can skip frying the chicken if you're not up to it. Now that we are done frying our chicken, it's time to finally prepare our stew. In a clean pot, add some vegetable oil and allow it to get hot. Make sure the quantity of oil is enough to fry the tomatoes you're using for the stew. This is very important. Once the oil gets hot, add the remaining ginger and garlic paste to the hot oil. Allow to fry for 2 to 3 minutes to release its scent. Then add the rest of the onions that you remained earlier. Allow to fry for 2 to 3 minutes also. And now it's time to add your tomato mixture. Give it a good mix and then stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. Remember, we are cooking on low heat. frying for about 10 to 15 minutes, it's time to add your tomato paste. If you're not using tomato paste, then it's okay to skip this part. Continue to stir occasionally until your tomato is ready. You will know your tomato is ready when the oil separates itself from the tomato mixture, just like you're seeing now. The next step is to add your chicken stock. Give it a good mix, add your seasoning cubes, mix everything together and cover to boil. Once it starts boiling very well, it's time to adjust your seasoning. Check whether the salt is enough or whether you still need to add any more ingredients. And now our final step is to add the fried chicken to the boiling stew. Give it a good mix and our chicken stew is ready to be served. So guys, that's it for this video. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Let me know other recipes you want me to share on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.